How to make a man respect you. How to earn men's deep respect. Do you wish to learn how to get their deep admiration? Respect is a strong appreciation for someone or something produced by the esteem they deserve. It's the type of respect that comes from being an outstanding person, not the kind of respect that comes from being afraid of someone or being related to them. In this video, we expose the 6 powerful guidelines that any woman needs to know in order to gain the respect of the men in her life. These rules have been tried, tested, and proved to work time and time again. So sit back, relax, and prepare to take your relationships to the next level. Don't skip a single second of this video. Let's get started. 1. Believe you're to be respected. If you don't feel you deserve to be respected, your man will not either. You can't make guys respect you, but they'll be more likely to do so if they perceive you have self-respect. You must go about with confidence and belief that you are deserving of respect. This will be evident in how you act, appear, and speak. If you don't think you deserve to be respected, you won't mind being disrespected. Don't buy into the notion that women should be loved rather than respected. You are to be respected and loved. So what does self-respect means? Taking care of yourself and your well-being, emotional, mental, and physical. Putting yourself first in your life. Keeping your values and living authentically. Refusing to tolerate degrading treatment. Taking care of your ambitions and dreams. You must raise the bar and lift it high. Demonstrate to guys that you respect yourself and will not tolerate anything less. Men can take advantage and treat you unfairly if you don't respect yourself. Don't be a facilitator of the disrespect you experience. But it isn't the only thing you should do, which brings me to my next point. 2. Be respectful to others. Respecting oneself is essential, but so is respecting others. You can't be disrespectful to the men in your life and expect them to be kind and honest with you. But that's a given. So let's take a different approach. You have the right to respect yourself. You could respect the men in your life. What if you're a complete jerk to everyone else? You go out to lunch one day with a male friend you admire greatly. When the waiter arrives, you aren't very polite or respectful to him or her. Your friend, even if you treat him properly, will notice this behavior. You will undoubtedly lose credibility in his eyes. So what's the moral of the story? You must be respectful in order to be respected. If a man notices that you have one norm for yourself and another for everyone else, he will not hold you in high regard. Instead, he will believe that you are a hypocrite. 3. Take control. Some men believe that women aren't as capable as they are, whether it's doing maintenance, driving, or participating in sports. Rather than sitting back and letting men evaluate you, take the initiative and show them just how talented you are. They won't doubt your abilities if you first demonstrate them to them. Don't be afraid to take charge. Instead of waiting for your guy to change the light bulb, change it by yourself. Sure, it's a tiny thing, and it shouldn't matter that you can do it, but some guys need a reminder every now and then that you're a strong, competent individual. You might also start working on DIY projects around the house. If you're not sure, watch some YouTube videos or look for instructions online beforehand. Your partner will be amazed by your knowledge and abilities. 4. Always be honest. Respect is founded on honesty. There is nothing left when honesty is removed. So what is the significance of honesty? It demonstrates integrity if you stick to the truth and avoid lying, gossiping, or exaggeration. It demonstrates that you have morals and strive to do the right thing. And men adore it. When they find an honest woman who doesn't play games or stir the pot, they know they can trust her. This automatically raises their respect for you. They will respect you if you respect their right to the truth. Well, that's all about it. Hope it helped you. Thanks for watching.